There are a few things that come to mind if you want to get the best drone photos and videos as a travel content creator. Number one is going to be planning and research. 100% of the time, we are relying on natural light to be able to light these landscapes and these subjects, the buildings that we're shooting. So as much as you can do your research by studying what time the sun rises and what time the sun sets on your location, the better your photos and videos are going to turn out. I guarantee you. There are some things in terms of settings that you can change, in terms of the type of drone that you have, but ultimately it's going to come down to when you are flying during that day. If you can learn how to read the weather forecast and understanding when the sun is coming up and when the sun is setting, you're going to be able to shoot only during the most beautiful times of the day. And when you can learn to shoot at the best times of the day, you are eliminating almost half of the struggle of getting a great drone shot. I wish more people knew about this because a lot of the times, all it really takes is patience. Finding the right specific time to put your drone up in the air that's going to give you some nice, beautiful, soft golden hour shots.